ma la ga chang der chai nyor ko dung dit media ka chang kel ka pai baro kron kin dang raw wi jen dang raw wi diech no go yelar la no yen chang ka dung dit media ka tin to ko jinu ko Sudan kan win mon ndo den an wala ga chang kel tel ko lar wan ba ko no ye ko jinu bete ne ka analysis ni tot kata nan te ka korn president Salva Kiir jor ka country ko ni te chuwa manan ya wala kan de kon ba ro jodien de tanda wona ne bu constitution na la ro ka fa jar ban nyogo mo gulet kon ro dan ko nguchi tuogo ko kon ni te chuwa shere ka ta chana lengo chana ri jandangwan ne dangraw chaganak to ta yer ti do arkel chaganak re yer re bod so na ka dorm la chwali yirul is mitake Michael Millerode rar kam den ga jipanye jar so no more disaster che kon touch as a Nuer community ko the nature of their killing na ke wo kanore so on Mr. Keno one of the issue that we keep reminding ourselves ko banane content ka panye jar tin chire ko mo jak che ka payam mi chwala pa chen jok dor mi chwale pa chen jok community mi chwale chien ten ne to jo devastate kan ta ta year ti local ta year ti ta ke ti ko kien ti kan chwan ke from Tanyar to Chambek daga Benbor daga bo jub so ne to kan ere yanak bana condolence bana keep telling them ko big Rodian boom bana chon ke in that situation Mr. Gano, there is no question of what is going on. Those killing that we are seeing today, Nakanath, insecurity is there everywhere in the country. What the Shementa, Panjak, Shementa, Afanile, some part of Equatoria, some part of Bargazel, Tamashaka, Letagatin, Wood Korkuminye, on the dialogue. Lincoln disarmament, she clear ko chatro gunit, kia where are they now? What you conte one anke dating, she warap, a latini, can mayom. So no teletok me clear large woman road which is a general update of the security country ko a volatile, she is stable security as we are speaking today. So what government go point go President Salva Kiir is away. Yes, we heard about it. And then I could have United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Chala Rajamo. The detail of our mission away and Tongomoshi clear, we don't know it. Up to now, you take an in to one of the world. What is the reason there? And based on the information into Condela Gagayende, Huawei for bilateral relation, talk with Gulf country. No every tag of every president visiting to any country, lawa welani bilateral relationship of the two countries. So ja winimi she clear babanene and what he is doing there. More Corban and yes is there. What is the complication in the country today in absence of the president? The president Joro Mullerora country me go attention. So Mullerora country after president when political struggle, la power struggle within the SPLM party is going on. Nate Conte la senior SPLM members take a watch, take a unjustly removed. They are not satisfied. She can satisfy a structural transition that is underway. Malaroda Kabul Mel. Chicken go. So no, you take a middle class of think of political community. Me, she and group must join up. So no, you penetrate into the organized forces. Kala topic a young community. Ko hell they are ready for bull mel ko be kwar Salva Kiir Bekan. They know the story of bull mel. They know the story of Salva Kiir. Ko milar ko no ko South Sudan everybody is suffering. Katet Salva Kiir man ni jang pankien. It is only that lar kene dundian dong brother ger goa mu gwege ko no bull mel mi take the same character with Salva Kiir, the same interest. Chijang don't want to get resistant. And that is the cause of the struggle within the SPLM. Ko the eldest, and last senior SPLM members, they are not satisfied. Chaga join a middle class of young community. They want to organize forces. So in terms of the absence of President Salva Kiir, you turn down that corner ko core internationally. Ko we me take a sovereignty, me recognize country, me shop me South Sudan. Take a process la nangaje at this age. Kwar shiro bu declare out of blue. Icha kwar can know. But I want a new we come. But take a process so that you will be recognized. Oh, young kwar. Example to be is whip will be pet. Be cool be a lot. Ku ni chang la kwa associate ke army personnel. Ne the content the association ke military. Don't let ship of general staff. Don't Ramishia ke commander of the presidential guide. So ne yene ito la malata ke influence ko coup making. Backward backup. So as a nature of politics, buku betake element ke tu ba polo to they recognize ora mo core that will take him some time. Ko ba dark by election ballot backward backward about 60 days. May stable environment. So one of the steps to presidency, a coup d'etat. But there are rebellions, maybe you wish a successful rebellions against the government. She organize for time and anna chanangneji. She kumanana the government she tupol. She judgment a ruling, be your own government be reinstalled, be government be a talk. The presidency be a be Korbiakan. No more as a revolutionary government after revolution. Around the audience that I want and Michi in case of anything which it to occur, don't you quarter you, don't you quarter la incapable, don't you resign, you quarter handle to the ruling party like the SPLM. And this also need process. SPLM party be new, including this eldest, la senior SPLM members to contact isolate. Because new in the decision making of one and immediate President Salva Kiir, Michel Liu, Kiir Michel resign, we will take over. The result of political success, without that, don't get in the Oka in the Kalatwa Salva Kiir SPLM party. And on a look bole, here go there a lot. And this is one of the process. So, Madam Wandian, there are election. Election be campaign, be your own vision, be not people vote for you, and then legally by recognized by the constitution of the country as the leader, la president. Can the whole four step. So now if we relate it to Bullmel and whatever declare President Salva Kiir Chabul Hunjok. And we Chabul Hunjok, that means the army, they manipulate, Paramat Kenedich, by accept over Balakwar, by President Salva Kiir, by Pen the country, which is a coup d'etat in his absence. President Balaro Chibulu a country, big security and by established, and then the Bolbara are known as a coup leader. So, but you would defend recognition, Korean, go hell, they will recognize the coup d'etat or bull. So that will be another step. mitake struggle marau. So mbichi no as a President Salva Kiir shall allow back to the country. It's a Luinga South Sudan. So what will happen next? Me don't resign. Shall I incapable? Shall medical issues? Shall resign? A call like a process of one and maybe as PLM party be new. Shall resign? Shall come up as only himself. Still, but resistant. So you call election, you call Nella predict. Election is still away. Nika 2026, you who can plan go down on election also need a PLM convention, a party convention before the election to select, to give the ticket officially to the candidate. So in situation, we believe Bolmel is still having a long way to go. So, the only time for them and now. At the momentum, Motor, President Salva Kiir Joro, Mr. Orling can harm, can organize forces. So, Tandan and Lincoln Jube, Bolmel, Chiramanana Yakotong right is not accepted by young community. They accept again. So, could I accept the resistance, organized forces, the need one, and whatever we come, only by American. So, then they are sacrificed over and a young Korean, Mitch Bullmel, descend to the power illegal like that. So, no young corner go and come the can ditch, take attention. Uganda is there watching. To tell me to intervene Congo the can do exploit. So we are waiting for all this thing go banagali. Mabutro Mabura Lado Kujube baneling. But all in all our attention but our country today politically take a turmoil. Anything can happen. So come on at the General and Terry Umachar, the opposition leader. Is a politically motivated artist, ngai kondiale, ko kakendi jube, take that political plan. So let us keep it, let us keep him in prison so that binyin content let kon gabanagalat without opposition. So in Michel Keno, ngai kondiale go internationally, cha condemn and the regional bodies are still talking about it. Ko barik machar balo inde na loy mala. So changbu bom no loy na mala ko there are I think one chi yek ti loy nothing. It need another negotiation. Ko bana loy ni ka foreign countries ko bago discussed. Lakin the only thing that will happen over machar balo. Balo in any situation that will happen. Ko ngubro lado be result ko rek balo. Ko internationally people are talking about it. Regional level, take a board to monitor, to follow and situation at So we just watch bane which banata nan la rodo ga bane ling manimicha guade manimicha chup. So to the reality can de kono children about today that one kapai baro we know the first thing turn take a president Salva Kiir outside of the country. Telecom information about it, who road ko benene. Manodian Fuela Tana Chaka plan about the internal security, the country who there are many places to take issues. One of the major issues you allow don't find yan and chocolate go united and one with a sugar to tota year to Gido Arkel. Today I'll talk and the college only a day a wale, and we thank you for listening.